Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting a VPN connection on the iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Settings app and tap on VPN. Then, to the right of the VPN connection that you would like to delete, you need to tap on the circled eye icon. Now tap Delete VPN. That VPN configuration will now be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.